Hello everyone, this is Melissa. I'm here with my design team project for August for Lavender Blue. I chose Boho Grunge Bright digital kit for this month's project, and I repurposed a blank journal, used the cover. I have a wonderful jingly dangle. I used a vintage doily here, a bit of sari trim, another piece of sari trim, and a little bit of bling. This is removable. And one of my favorite pieces is this shoe clip. I've had this for a very long time. See if I can focus in on that for you. It has amethyst on both ends. I hope the light's catching that. And that is a little bonus on this journal. Clips on right there. Underneath the front image, which is part of Fiona's freebies, I believe, you can get by joining her website, or Facebook group, I'm sorry. Just a index card, purple, and distressed a little bit with a whale tail tab. This was part of sari material, some kind. I got a very large piece of it, and this came from there, and this was another portion of it. It has a purple and orange design on it. Hope you can see that. All right, let's get into the insides. I used the kit on, let's see, twice. So I made the pages, I used front and back, printed front and back. And there are 2 full pages in each signature, so 4 pages, actually 8 digital files. I kept the inside of the cover. I used just a craft, it was a heavy-duty paper. Actually, it's the stuff that is under here. It comes in a very large roll, and I have a ton of it. So I just decided to use that, keep it nice and plain. This is one of my CD envelopes that I have tea stained, and a little bit of bling added there. This is a glassine envelope that I use Stays On ink, and I have the stickers inside here, and I'll show you that, but it's the backing for the stickers. Used it as a mask and did the staining. This is just an index card. These guys go in here. And to the front cover, I added beaded trim and a soft fabric flower. This is again one of Fiona's images that she offers as a freebie. A little bit of bling, a tag in behind. Decoupaged some tissue paper, some sari trim, and this was part of it's not a random it's not a rack, but it was part of a swap, and I just absolutely loved it, so wanted to include it in this book. Another one of the tea stain journaling index cards. A little bit of bling added. More decoupage tissue, doily on the digital page. Just a doily and a die cut and a little flower bling. This was an embossed piece of paper that I used chalk ink on. And this has a little tag with a little bird. Don't lose the spark that makes you, you. This is one of Fiona's pages that I used my envelope maker punch, I guess it's called, and create a little envelope. Oh, if I can get that back in there. There we go. Some of Sheila Gingrich's beautiful sari embellishment trim. Another one of the digital pages again. And this was a challenge that Fiona had done a while ago. She had presented her kit, and we got to see part of it. There were 3 tags, and we had to make something with those 3 tags. And this was one of my submissions. This is just some school writing paper. Part of the page cut down and turned into corner tuck, and some gold bling, a sticker added to it. There's another die cut. Sari silk trim, index card, plain, just a label with gemstones added. Another piece of the sari. The center ties, I just use silk flowers and punch outs, circle punch. This is also Fiona's, one of her digital kits. There are 3 envelopes, damask envelopes, and they're really pretty. Very easy. They go together very well. It was very easy to put together. She gives you fold lines and everything. Index card cut down, tea stain, and that just goes in here. And I did back some of the sari embellishments with paper just to make it a little bit sturdier. This is one of her freebies. They're index card journaling cards, and I cut one to make a small pocket. This is her vintage wallpaper, and on the other side I printed one of the index or ledger papers for a journaling spot. A little bit of bling, a little bit of sari silk, label. This again is one of the index cards, a little bit of embossed and distressed. It tucks in there. This is what I was talking about. This is a sticker, and it is like a velour flocking kind of a sticker. Put 3 gemstones in the center hole. This is part of sari material from Sheila, and this is the vintage wallpaper again with the ledger paper journaling card. Another one of those envelopes, the damask envelope. I did not put anything in this one. This one's empty for you to fill. Some more sari embellishment. And this is just a postcard that I put a sticker on and some more of that backing paper. Regular size card, whale tail tab, and then turned it into a little tuck spot journaling card. Some lace that I got from Marsha Johnson. I got a very large quantity of different types of laces and stuff, which I'll have a video out showcasing all of that. This is Sheila Gingrich again. And Sheila. Those are not pockets. This is a pocket, and I don't have anything in there. You can fill it with whatever. Another image from one of Fiona's freebies. This is the end of the first signature. And second signature, the bead trim again. More tea stain paper. Index card that I had stained and gessoed. Die cut with some gemstones. Here's one of the other tags that I created for that challenge. Just a bit of scrapbooking paper turned into a journaling spot. Another one of the digital pages from Boho Grunge Bright. This is a very large fabric flip, black lace, a little bit of decoupage down here in the corner. And here's the third card. More of that wallpaper and the ledger paper turned into a journaling spot. A lace from Marsha. More digital page, a little bit of a paper doily, and another one of the images, and a tag tucked behind. A little bit of sari on the end. Just a journaling spot. A little bit of that tissue on the back. This is a bulldog clip and just a dangle. And another index card. And that just folds over and clips on. So you can hide something behind it or just right in there. Small tuck pocket with some bling added, and I made a tag out of the digital page. And this is also a tuck spot. This is the third envelope. Another index card, tea stain. It's more of Sheila's sari bling. Love that stuff. Another digital page. And here's more of that flocked velour sticker. I've had that thing for years and just never used it. Another pocket backed with just regular cardstock and a tag made from one of the digital pages, tea stain. Some more decoupage tissue. Another pocket with a label and some bling. And this is just another piece of scrapbook paper turned it into a journaling spot. More of that dangly trim. A very small flip up. Oh, there we go. Bingo card, a little bit of the paper, digital paper turned into a tuck spot. A little butterfly, little piece of doily. This is just a blue cardstock. It is kind of pearlescent paper doily. And this is also another pocket. And this is the last page of that digital kit. And the back is just an envelope. Another glassine envelope with index card. That completes my design team project for Lavender Blue for August. I do hope you enjoyed. If you liked my video, please like and share. I do appreciate that. And I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you.